Friend, this is Hulhumale and I am at the beach of Hulhumale, and you can see that I am with the umbrella because it is sunny day. And then I am going to show you the beach and the sea of. कहते हैं कि अगर जीना है तो पानी की तरह जियो, अपने अंदर इतनी नरमी रखो, अपने अंदर इतनी समझ रखो कि जहाँ कहीं भी जाओ उसी के रंग में रंग जाओ, जहाँ भी जाओ उसी के सांचे में ढल जाओ. I am in Hulhumale, Maldives, and Maldives in the Arabian Sea. So directly I am showing you the Arabian Sea. Please enjoy the beauty of Arabian Sea. So far I was not stepping in the water. Now see, oh, wow, the entire feeling is different when you step in the water. Such pure white sand of. Have you experienced walking in water? Is it difficult or easy? For me it is little difficult because I am not habitual of walking in water.